the last 5 years, the average homeowner's wealth has increased by $140,900. American homeowners' wealth continues to grow, a benefit of home ownership in creating wealth through forced savings and appreciation. It's Friday, August 1st, 2025. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty, Maryland's boutique brokerage. This is the weekly Maryland Market Minute. Research also shows a growing wealth gap between owners and renters based on the latest Federal Reserve survey of consumer finance. Homeowners' median net worth will reach $430,000 in 2025 versus $10,000 for renters. Yet, we still face a housing shortage and a home affordability problem in Maryland. Nationally, home prices over the past 5 years climbed 47% to $435,300, the highest ever recorded. In Maryland, home prices are up 3.9% to $543,801. We are seeing some area prices slide backwards year over year in this week's numbers, but overall forecasts continue to indicate 2025 will end with another bump in home equity for homeowners. Those buyers who have said every year that they will wait until home prices or mortgage interest rates to fall continue to lose out on equity gains and ultimately will pay more when they do buy, even if the mortgage interest rates fall. Why? Because we will likely see wait-and-see buyers rush to the market to buy, driving prices up further. Regarding Maryland inventory, this reports new inventory to market fell again this week, 4.9% to 2,011 units for sale. Coming soon properties stayed unchanged from last week's 1,470 units. Homes going under contract were down again this week to 1,500 units. This report an 11.6% drop from last report and selling in just 17 days. 1,230 properties sold, netting sellers 100% of list price and selling in 15 days at a median sales price of $450,000. Rental properties rose by 1 to 2,993 and are priced at a median $2,700 per month. Got questions about your specific circumstances? Give me a call and let's talk. That's your wrap for this week's Maryland Market Minute for Friday, August 1st, 2025. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. Stay cool. I'll see you next week. Take care.